Nate this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loot.
Hello beautiful, it's me Jasmine Ardell. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fall makeup look for you guys. I can't believe I'm saying this. Fall is always bittersweet to me because I do love fall, but I hate winter, and winter in New York is it's not a joke, okay? It's not a joke. So today I'm going to be using the new Makeup Geek Pumpkin Spice palette. On the inside, you have this beautiful fall-esque palette. I think it's perfect for the season. I have done a look with this on my Instagram. If you want to check it out, it's just a photo. But today I use this color right here because I saw one of you guys ask me to use it, and it's a beautiful color, so I definitely wanted to use it anyway. So it was like a perfect excuse to use it. So that's what I have going on today. Like, this reminds me of pumpkin spice latte or like a pumpkin chai latte, which I just heard existed, and I can't wait to try it out. So I'm going to swatch these colors really quickly so you guys can see them in action. This is Buffed right here. This one right here is called Early Bird. The next shade is called Roulette, which I did use in my previous look. It's really beautiful. Do you see how gorgeous this is? Oh my gosh. This shade right here is called Dreamsicle. So beautiful. Then we have Untamed, which is the star of today's show. Can we have a moment? This is Curtain Call, which is another gorgeous shadow that I have loved. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's everything. I love it. Next we have Jacko Turn, which is perfect for like October, and this is Jacko Turn right here. This is Cocoa Bear, which is a staple for sure. And then lastly is Cherry Cola, another one of my favorites. I love it. I'm gonna take that in here, and this is it. Alright, so these are the shades. I'm gonna just go up and down. So those are the swatches here. And if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. I did apply this concealer to my eyelids already, so this is going to be kind of like my base. And we're going to start out with eyeshadow. So I'm going to start out with Early Bird, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to be using that with a Sigma E40 brush. And I'm just going to pack that onto my eyes. I'm just going to pack it right in my crease and then blend it out. I'm going to take Cocoa Bear, which is right here, and I'm going to apply that over top. I'm going to be using a Kylie Jenner brush from one of the palettes that she launched. Alright, I'm going to drag this out a little bit here. Okay, so I like how nice and soft and fall this is. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and take the gold shade, which is this shade right here called Untamed. I love this color. And I'm going to use a flat brush. To apply this shadow, I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush, which is designed for the foiled eyeshadows. So I'm going to just take Untamed in here. A lot of product, and I'm just gonna start packing that on. Ooh, it gets me every time. It's so pretty, you guys. This is such a gorgeous color. It screams fall. Like, it's just perfect for fall. Alright, I'm gonna bring this all over my lid. I'm going to bring it up a little bit more past my lid. I'm just going to gently drag it up. I'm going to go back in and just kind of blend that in. Then I'm going to take some more color, and I'm going to spray it this time to make it a little bit more pigmented. So I'm going to pack that on, get it nice and wet, you know. The wetter the better. Alright. Do you see that though? Like, dang, girl. Dang, girl. Okay, so that's the first part of my eye makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do my face. So I'm just going to spray it first with the Hangover RX 3-in-1 spray, which I really, really love this spray. So for primer, I'm going to use the Hangover RX primer as well. For foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline's 24-hour Superstay foundation, which I love this thing. I use it all the time. And I'm just going to apply this white. Oh, I wanted to conceal first, actually. I'm just going to conceal a little bit first, actually, because I want some extra coverage. If you want extra coverage, you can conceal 2 times. Yes. Okay, now I will blend in my foundation. So next I'm going to use the Cover FX Power Play Concealer to conceal my under eye. I'm using the Huda Beauty powder to set my under eye. I actually have been liking it for my under eye area, so that's what we're doing. So I'm going to contour my face a little bit using this Makeup Geek Deal Breaker contour powder, which I actually really like. I'm just going to apply a little bit right here, just a tiny bit, because this is super deep. Alright, so I'm going to take the tiniest amount on this little brush from Makeup Geek as well, angled contour brush, and I'm going to just take a dab of it for my nose. And then for blush, I'm going to use this beautiful blush right here, which I love. It is Chilvary, and I think it's perfect for fall, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And then I'm going to just blend everything together with this big brush so that it's nice and blended. Okay, so I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to make it very simple, very easy. I'm going to just use a little pointed crease brush from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to take the same color down here, which was Cocoa Bear, and I'm going to just buff that into my lower lash line. I do want to make this a little bit more sultry and fall-ish, so I'm going to use this Pat McGrath eyeliner. This is the Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in Extreme Black. I'm going to just add this to my lower lash line. I'm going to use some more mascara. This one is from Hourglass. I'm going to layer this one over top to just add some extraness to it, you know. So I'm going to use the new Juvia's Place highlights in Royalty 1, the Royalty 1, which I love. It's just amazing. Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit here. That got crazy real quick. Take a big brush and kind of buff that in because that got it real crazy real quick, okay? So I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Powder, which I am obsessed with this stuff. It's amazing. Using my big brush like this, I'm just going to put this on my cheeks, and then the rest I'm just going to bring all over my face. Mainly on my high points, like the places I would highlight later. But I do kind of put it everywhere too, because it's a beautiful powder and it gives you a beautiful glow. It's just beautiful, huh? Now I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors highlighter, which I love, Royal Hotness. I talk about this all the time. It's just amazing. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to actually put this in my inner corner as well. So whatever highlight you use, just add that into your inner corner. So I really want to try these Ardell double up lashes. They look really nice, like dramatic but not really. While that's drying, I'm going to line my lips with this Makeup Forever pencil. I haven't picked out a lip color yet. I have no idea what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this one, I think, from Too Faced. I'm going to add a little bit of gloss. I'm going to use Yas from Bareminerals. I haven't used this in a while, but I love that so much.